Hello students, Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing your study well by watching these videos. So let's start today. My name is Ms. Samadip Kaur. So I am back with math subject of 5th class. Lesson 2, Fundamental Operations on Numbers, exercise 2.10. So today's topic is about board mass. What is board mass? So let me explain. सो ऑर्डरिंग मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस, इसका मतलब है कि जो भी हमारे पास स्टेटमेंट होता है उसको एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में लेकर उनको सॉल्व किया जाता है। जैसे कि मैंने बोला था बोर्ड मास, BODMAS, इसको शॉर्ट में बोर्ड मास बोला जाता है। यहाँ B स्टैंड फॉर ब्रैकेट, सबसे पहले हमें ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करना होता है। उसके बाद ऑर्डर्स जैसे कि अंडर रूट, स्क्वायर्स एक्सेट्रा। उसके बाद D स्टैंड फॉर डिवीजन, उसके बाद हम डिवीजन सॉल्व करते हैं। उसके बाद M स्टैंड फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, उसके बाद हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं। देन A स्टैंड फॉर एडिशन, उसके बाद हम ऐड कर सकते हैं नंबर्स को। एंड लास्ट स्टेप इज सब्ट्रैक्शन। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड बोर्ड मास। सो लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल्स। फर्स्ट पार्ट इज सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग। फर्स्ट 42 divide 7 plus 8. So here answer is, first of all, first step is divide. So let's divide 42 and 7. So let's underline 42 divide 7. So now dividing we get 6 and we will write plus 8 as it is. Now we have 6 plus 8. So 6 plus 8 gives us 14 answer. Now second is 8 plus 6 multiply by 2. So here first we will do multiply, right? So now let's underline 6 multiply 2. So 6 multiply 2 gives us 12 and 8 we will write as it is. Now we have 8 plus 12. It gives us 20 answer. Third sum is 7 multiply by 8 divided by 4 minus 6. So first step is divide. So let's underline the numbers to divide, right? Now 8 divide 4 is underlined, so it gives us 2 answer, right? So here 7 and minus 6 are written as it is, right? Now next step is multiply. So let's multiply 7 and 2. Now 7 multiplied by 2 gives us 14 and minus 6 is written as it is. Now in third step we have 14 minus 6, it gives us 8 answer. Fourth sum is 63 divide 9 multiply 4 plus 28 minus 15. So answer is, first step is let's divide 63 divide 9, it gives us 7 and we have written multiply 4 plus 28 minus 15 as it is. In next step, in second, we will multiply 7 and 4. 7 multiply 4 gives us 28 and we have written 28 minus 15 as it is. Now in third step, we will first add 28 and 28. 28 plus 28 gives us 56 and minus 15. Now in fourth step, let's subtract 56 and 15. It gives us 41 answer. Now fifth sum is 25 multiply 3 plus 42 divide 6 minus 4. So answer, first step is division, right? Let's divide 42 divide 6. It gives us 7. So we have written 25 multiply 3 as it is and minus 4 also as it is, right? So in second step we will multiply 25 multiplied by 3. So it gives us 75 and we have written plus 7 and minus 4 as it is. Now 75 plus 7, this is the third step, right? It gives us 82 and minus 4 is written as it is. Now in fourth step we have 82 minus 4, it gives us 78 answer. Sixth sum is 18 divide 6 multiply 21 plus 17 minus 18. So answer is, first step divide 18 divide 6 gives us 3 and we have written multiply 21 plus 17 minus 18 as it is. Next second step is multiply. Multiply 3 and 21, it gives us 63. So we have written 17 and minus 18 as it is, right? So third step is addition. Let's add 63 plus 17, it gives us 80, and we have written minus 18 as it is. And in fourth step we have 80 minus 18, it gives us 62 answer. Seventh sum is 8 divide 8 plus 8 multiply 8 minus 8. So answer is, first step is divide. 8 divided by 8 gives us one answer, and we have written plus 8 multiply 8 minus 8 as it is, right? Now next step is multiply. Now we will multiply 8 and 8. So 8 into 8 gives us 64. Third step is 1 plus 64. It gives us 65 and minus 8. In fourth step we have 65 minus 8. It gives us 57 answer. Now eighth sum is 72 plus 48 multiply 36 divide 18 minus 9. So answer is, here first step is division. So now 72 plus 48 multiply 36 divided by 18 is underlined, right? 36 divide 18 is underlined because first step is division, and minus 9. Now let's divide 36 and 18. 18 twos are 36, so it gives us 2 answer, right? So now second step is 72 plus 48 multiply 2. Now we will multiply 48 and 2. Now in third step we get 48 multiply 2 is 96. Now 72 plus 96 minus 9. In third step we will add 72 and 96. It gives us 168 and minus 9. Now in fourth step 168 minus 9 gives us 159 answer. Now ninth sum is 44 plus 2 multiply 9 minus 35 divided by 5. So now answer is, first step is divide, right? Now 44 plus 2 multiply 9 minus 35 divide 5. So first step is 35 is divided by 5. It gives us 7. Now second step is multiply. 44 plus 2 multiply 9 minus 7. Second step we will multiply 2 and 9. It gives us 18. Now third step is 44 plus 18 minus 7. Let's add 44 and 18. It gives us 62. And let's subtract 7, right? In fourth step we will subtract 62 and 7. It gives us 55 answer. Now 10th sum is the last sum. 18 plus 126 divided by 14 multiply 3 minus 25. So answer is, first step is division. 18 plus 126 divided by 14 is underlined because first step is division. Multiply 3 minus 25. So let's divide 14 and 126. Now 14 nines are 126. So it gives us 9, right? So 18 plus 9 multiply 3 minus 25. So in second step we will multiply 9 and 3. So it gives us 27. So in third step 18 plus 27 minus 25. So let's add 18 and 27. It gives us 45. In fourth step 45 minus 25. So let's subtract. It gives us 20 answer. So we have completed exercise 2.10 of lesson 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos.